we're joining our wildlife specialists at one of our favorite local gyms. This gym is one of the friendliest and most inclusive in the business, but even they have their limits, and that's when they called us. For a good while now, pigeons have been making their home on the front entrance of this gym. This has not only destroyed their beautiful signage, but has made it unsafe to walk under, if you know what I mean. We wanted to show you how Town & Country has restored this entrance to its original beauty and has made it a welcome entrance again. Just not for the pigeons. Call Town & Country to have one of our wildlife specialists inspect your property. You can have peace of mind knowing that they are the most trusted and knowledgeable bird eradication experts in upstate New York. And we're so confident in our service that we back it up with the best guarantee in the business. So don't wait. Contact Town & Country Pest Solutions today.